Hi everyone, this is Daniel again. I'm back yet with another tutorial, and in today's tutorial we are going to see how to set up PrestaShop on either your domain name or subdomain. Basically, I'm sure you're aware of with the changes in technology, people are opting to work with online shops, and PrestaShop is one of the CMS that will help you have an online store without necessarily having the coding skills. So basically, we know besides PrestaShop, there are other solutions. You can name of Shopify, Wix, there is Orit, and we also have a WordPress. Basically, with skills in any of this, you can set up your own online shop where you can post your products, and also clients proceed to place their orders, and you proceed to do the deliveries. So for the scope of this video, we are just going to see how to install it on either your subdomain or your domain name. In another video, we are going to cover how to customize your shop so that you can have your own information on the website, and also have your products listed on the website. So let us dive in and see how to install it on your subdomain, or rather your subdomain or your domain name. In this tutorial, we are going to use the softaculous script that is present on your Cpanel. Well, this being the easiest method, it could be prone to errors, but we are hoping it will work for us this time. We also have another method which is prone to raise errors or no errors at all. We have included the link to the video in the description. Alternatively, you can click on the suggestion of the video just on the top bar of this video. Okay, let us proceed. So just scroll down. First of all, just log into your Cpanel. Once you are in your Cpanel homepage, scroll down to there is this group, Softaculous App Installer. Under this group, most of the scripts are listed here, but we don't see PrestaShop. So you can click on any of these scripts and it will take you to the Softaculous Apps Installer. Alternatively, you search for it in this search field, Softaculous Apps Installer. Just click on that. Then once you get to this page, just search for for PrestaShop. Basically, we have a list of hundreds of scripts that you can use to set up your store, your another CMSs. So at this stage, just search for PrestaShop. Click on that. Then just scroll down. There's some information here that you can read through. Then just scroll down to this install now. Just click on that button. Then here we are going to set up some information. So in this software setup section, select the protocol. I'll go with HTTPS. Then for the domain, I wish to install it on test.technologies. Then for this folder, I don't want our installation to be installed inside another folder. I want it to be under our root directory. Then for the version, at the time of recording this video, this is the latest, and it had some bugs. So just install any other, or you can try through the available versions until you get it right, because some of them will not start the website at all. So let me try out 1.789. We need to come back here and change to to our subdomain and remove that. Then scroll down, set up your store name, just leave it as default. Then the admin folder, so whatever name you put here, when logging into your admin, you will be inputting your domain name, then slash that name, admin123. So I'll just leave it at that. Then for the admin email, let me have admin@dtechnologies.com. Then for the password, set up a strong password that you can remember. It's strong enough. Then for the first name, enter your first name and the last name. I'll just leave mine as default. Then for the advanced option, there's nothing to change here, but if you need, just ensure to change all that is necessary. Then proceed to install. Just give it some time for the installation to complete. And in less than a minute, we have our installation complete. Let us try and access and see if we got it right. And there we go. We have successfully installed PrestaShop using the softaculous script. So to log into our dashboard, and you can see we have some items listed. Then let us just click on quick view. Let us see what it has for us. There we go. We have our product. You can proceed and add the quantity, add to cart, and you have our cart here. Then you can proceed and check out. So basically we have our shop ready to receive our custom products. Then we want to see how to log into the admin dashboard. So the administrative URL, we have it there. So let us have it admin123. Then let us have our admin email. Again, and there we go. We have successfully logged into the admin dashboard of our PrestaShop store. So here you can do a variety of things. Basically, this being your first time to log in, you are taken through some guides to help you navigate through your PrestaShop admin dashboard. So here you can do a number of things, orders, you can view orders, invoices, and all that. Then for the categories, products, categories, and all that. So basically, for the scope of this video, we just wanted to see how to install PrestaShop, which we just did. On how to customize your online store, we are going to cover this in a separate tutorial. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for your patience. Kindly give us a thumbs up on this video. Also let us know in the comment section how your experience was, and subscribe to this channel so that you can get real-time updates. Thank you, and have a good day. Goodbye.